Alright, so I made it here. 10:07, so I'm actually, it starts at 11 a.m., so I'm actually here early. I did not expect to get here that fast. Not that I drove fast or anything, because I always follow the law. There's a cop. He knows I follow the law. You know it too. So, here I am. It's called Dallas College, Brookhaven. A weird name. Like, you figure to be Dallas, I don't know, college would be last or something. I think it used to just be called Brookhaven. I'm not sure about the history here. Yeah, there it is, Farmers Branch. I'm not sure about the history here on that, but yeah, this is it. It's actually, from a distance, bigger than I thought. Hey, at least they have, I saw like a track and field. Hey, I didn't have that in middle school, high school. So, even my community college didn't have that, so that's cool that they had that. But yeah, that's the H building right there. That's where I'm going at. I'll show the inside here. But yeah, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. I'll put this video on probably all three of my channels: my game channel, animation channel, and my new car channel. I did a POV drive on the way over here. Like I said, I got here faster than expected. But if you want to see the POV drive, that will be on my new car channel, Dunamis Coupe. I don't have much on there, but I have, I went to TX2K25, you know, the drag racing, road racing event that they have once a year in Texas. That's probably the biggest video on that channel so far, other than my POV drives. But I'm gonna go in, see who's in there. I'm pretty sure I see a lot of familiar faces and things like that. But yeah, it's not too hot right now, but it will get hot. But yeah, I like to, you know, hey, if you're someone who likes to keep the car, I just watched it yesterday, you're someone who likes to keep the cars clean. I got so many mysteries, scratches and everything. Like, I always park far away from everyone else. That's just me. But I don't know if you're that type of person, but that's how I am. I don't need any car dings or anything. But yeah, so let me probably bring my GoPro. Again, I don't know if I can record, but yeah. Yes, Paul Allen is speaking today. He's an animator. I know he worked on Jimmy Neutron. That's one of my childhood shows that I grew up watching. I think I was in middle school, though, when Jimmy Neutron was active. Pretty sure it was around like middle school years. I have to look up the years. It's been a long time. Worked on Jimmy Neutron. He's worked at id Software, so I'm going to talk to him, possibly about jobs. I recently applied to id Software a few weeks ago after they released the new Doom game. So he's probably worked on the new Doom game. He's worked on Halo. Seems like he's mainly in the game industry, but he probably has lots of animation history as well, and like film. So Again, I doubt recording's allowed, but if he says people can record a little, I'll record a little bit. I'm not gonna record everything. May not record anything at all. May record nothing at all, right? You know, for my presentation, you know, I sort of recorded myself because I wanted to, right? But other people may not want to be recorded and things like that. So, but I show the inside when I've never been here. It's the first time here. Like I said, man, they have. I saw soccer, baseball when I was coming. Like over there, there's like a track and field. People were over there playing soccer, which is cool, man. I'd rather just hang out there for the day, man. Just at the track. That's my, like I said, I'm a naturally fast runner. That's my thing, man. Should have been on the track, but you know, I didn't go to schools that really had track and football, unfortunately. Even though I was the fastest guy in my school, top 3 fastest. But anyway, yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, if you want to check out the driving video here, that's probably the longest part of the video. Again, it was like, man, 20-30 minutes in total. So there wasn't much traffic this time in the morning. It'll be worse on the way back, but I probably want to do a POV on the way back. Just want to do one here. But anyway, yeah, stay tuned. Cool, going inside. So I don't remember the room number. That's what I don't remember. I thought I had it on the picture of the ticket, but it's not on there. So let's see. Yeah, I really don't know where I'm going. It's like a hotel entrance in here. I don't know. I am going to use the restroom. Oh, look at all the art in here. Now it looks like a class going on. Hold on, I may have to look it up. I'm going to have to try to log into my email and look it up. It's nice in here. Let me see. Maybe this is it? Yeah, this has got to be it. Yeah, there's Daniel. Hey! So, as usual, I was like the first person here. I'm super early. You know. But yeah, it's pretty nice. And here's easy to find, actually. Again, it's not a huge campus overall, but let's go back in and wait. Use the restroom. So, alright. Cool art. Oh. Alright, so it was a good presentation from Paul Allen. I talked to him at the end of the presentation, and we're going to add him on LinkedIn, see how things go. I talked with him, you know, about jobs. He works at id Software, so he also teaches on Animation Mentor. Animation Mentor is, I guess at this point, probably one of the biggest well-known online animation courses you can take if you're interested in character animation or creature animation. And animate objects. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I did ask him if I could record. He said no, so it's fine. He thanked me for letting, you know, for asking, you know, if I could record it. I did a presentation a few months ago, so I know what it's like. But yeah, so good presentation, and I'm done for the day. Going to the store. It's pretty nice out here though. It's getting hotter, obviously. I'm sure it's in the high 90s. So here you go. Just one last look. Genesis coupe here. But that's it. So, yeah, I add them later. You know, that's how these events work, man. They say they're going to be having, you know, this is Industry Insights is what the group is called. They're going to have meetings here. They told me once a month. So I also talked to one of the teachers, one of the staff. She works here, so she was in there helping up the presentation today. IT guy came in and helped as well. But So they're gonna have them once a month. Also, even though it's not officially announced, they did mention that Industry Giants is coming October. That's the news I've heard so far. So if you're in the Dallas area, they have it once a year. They're bringing it back. You know, they had to stop because, you know, the pandemic a few years ago. But they brought it back last year for the first time. Last time was at University of Texas at Dallas. And it was amazing. They had it. I went there, saw a lot of people I knew, met lots of new people. Industry Giants is basically where it's an event where they, you know, they have animators, people from the industry, from game, film industry. They come and, you know, they give presentations on stage. There's like artist alley booths where people can come show off their art or sell art as well, if I'm not mistaken. So I think you can sell it. Yeah, because I brought like a poster there. People sell t-shirts with art and things like that, mugs, all sorts of things. So pictures, paintings, whatever. But yeah, so it's usually the biggest industry, game design, you know, film event in Dallas areas. But yeah, it's called Industry Giants. Look for it online. It's coming up October this year, 2025. That's what I've heard so far. That's all I have for right now. So yeah, let me get to driving. But again, if you want to check out the POV, look at that on Dunamis Coop. It won't be on this channel. So it won't be on my game channel, it won't be on the animation channel. But that'll be on my new car channel that I started. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.
Headshot. Oh my God!